Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about update in Google search. Google has replaced title tag with site name in mobile search result for entire website. Like this. You can see here I have searched search engine journal. You can see that search engine journal is appearing only. Here I have opened search engine journal website and I am seeing title tag. You can see that it has brand name plus keyword, but we see only brand name. This feature is only for domain. It does not work in subdomain. Google has implemented this feature in order to make it easier for users to identify the specific website in search result. Here you can see Google has officially announced today search is introducing site name on mobile search result to make it easier to identify the website that is associated with each results, and we are sharing how you can indicate your preferred site name with structured data. This is the update. Thanks for watching.